Having a bike stolen, if it means something to you, is actually much more emotional than a car, or because the bike is part of your body. So I got stuck in a scenario where I was with just a woman also trapped by this door, who increasingly started to recognize my bike as hers, and eventually it came out that her bike had been stolen. Well, I knew her bike had been stolen. Eventually, she said 2 days before, and that was just when I started to think, wow, this is theft.
Mine looked just like that.
Yeah.
And
I just bought it on the 10th floor. We can go upstairs, but I don't have nothing to do with your bike being stolen.
At some point I felt like something wasn't okay.
how long have you had it?
The bike shop owner guy was he's really for the craft of fixing bikes.
The guy upstairs pulled one sticker away when I bought it, but that was when I was like, yo, maybe this is her bike.
Suddenly the gear shifted in my head, and I started to think, oh my god.
Yeah. But my whole body was weak, like, okay, whoa, what's happening? It's too much emotions, like a roller coaster. It was crazy. I just got pranked by VanMoof.